Believe it or not, these funny moments were accidentally recorded and they surprised everyone. Are you ready to check them out with us? Let's get started.
Drop it, Mavis!
Human must have been creeped out when received this special snake gift.
Josh.
When you want to go out, but can't get over your mom's challenge. Check the carton box you received. There may be cats attached.
Подъем!
It's time for Human to choose surrender. She will try anything for the tap on turn on. This is what'll happen if you don't stop him. Human went from panicking to laughing, after a while looking for cat. The exit stairs are only for emergencies, man. Why don't you use the elevator? Not everyone can escape this grip.
Нормально? Нормально. Точно? Нормально.
Just a small animal, but you're more dangerous than a pack of lions. A lesson for humans. Remember to close the bathroom door.
Дурак!
Whenever I have to choose between eating or not, it's such a difficult decision. Maybe you've missed this news. She's a difficult food critic. Since when did they open a massage service outdoor like this? What did I miss? This cat has learned a life lesson. Who did he copy this from? How long does it take for you to realize a trick? So now we found a solution to dry this fur coat without a dryer.
Нахуй! Кот делает выход силой просто, блядь. Родной, нахуй, похуй вообще. На, нахуй, выход. Костян ебать.
Instead of running frantically, this cat took a moment to go to sleep. Solution for human when lazy. Even a strong cat can't resist this grip. Is it love at first sight?
Кому хорошо живется.
Is that your bestie whenever she comes over to your house? Try this now with your cat. When you try to act like you're a hard worker, but the truth is... Nothing seems to be able to stop his feet.
Давай, давай, мой хороший, давай, ой, давай. Иди ко мне, мой хороший, иди.
This fur coat works so hard to get free food. What'll happen when you bump into the wrong person? When this cat heard that his dad was coming home, he just wants to turn off the faucet and save water for human. You know, it's gonna be a jump. Their legs are as flexible as humans' hands. When you peek at other people eating, and they don't even know you're craving.
Матильдочка, не надо кружить. Мосинка, пожалуйста, не нужно. Мойся.
The consequences of going to the bar last night. The way this cat looks apologetic.
Блять! Маленький засранец был накат. Воу-воу-воу!
Maybe this cat needs a pair of sticky shoes. The bathroom's slippery.
Ого, ну блин, ну ты, конечно, кот-летяга. Как белки-летяги, только...
Bro, you might go to the wrong bathroom. It's time to say goodbye. Which cat made you happy and surprised? Let us know. Glad you watched the whole video. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you and see you soon.